So we're talking about enjoying some good wild caught salmon and just how easy this is. This is a piece of salmon. This is salmon fillet. And actually you're looking for salmon that's got that deep reddish color without all the white lines through it. Most of the farm raised salmon is almost like it's a lighter shade, almost like a peachy kind of color, and it's got a lot of thick white lines. That's absolutely not what you're looking for. So here's how easy salmon is. So I've got a cast iron skillet here with some butter in it. All I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that right in the pan. Now with that, I'm going to, this is how simple it is. I'm just going to put some garlic powder over that. And I'm going to put some Redmond real salt, the organic seasonal salt mixture. So I'm going to put that on there. And all I'm going to do, you put a pretty generous amount. And lastly, I like to add a little combination of some other seasonings that also include some oregano and some basil. I actually get this from a local market called Spice and Tulips in Tustin, California. Even if you buy these online, they're just, it's amazing. And they actually grow and harvest their own spices, and really high integrity spices, and really a great finishing product. So all you're really doing is you're doing approximately 2 minutes on both sides of that. Okay, so now after 2 minutes, go ahead and flip your salmon over. Now for me, I always like to still spice up the skin end as well, because I actually enjoy eating the skin. There's some really good quality fats and nutrients in the skin. I really don't know why some people don't like to eat the skin. So I'm putting all the same spices on the skin side as I did the rest, because I'm going to actually enjoy that. And then all we're going to do is waiting for the next 2 minutes to go by. Okay, so here we go. We're at almost 4 minutes total, 2 minutes on each side on a medium heat in a cast iron skillet in butter. We spiced both sides of the salmon. We got a delicious, perfect piece of salmon. I'll garnish this with a half of avocado sliced up and a few veggies. And as you can see, it's done at like a medium rare type of consistency, which is how I enjoy my salmon. If you like your salmon done a little bit more, you can actually cook it a little bit longer on each side, or if you have a thicker piece of salmon than I have right here, you might want to cook it a little bit longer to your liking. But this is a great way to really begin a very positive protein source for your meal. And again, garnish it with some vegetables, maybe half an avocado, and you've also got then a perfect keto-friendly meal as well. So I just wanted to do this to show you how simple and easy it was. This took me all of literally 5 minutes, including heating up the pan and the butter. It's just making sure that you get to the store and you buy some wild caught salmon. And again, remember, always look for that deeper red color. You're staying away from those big white lines in the salmon to make sure you've got some really good quality salmon. All right, enjoy everybody. I know I will.